Hello students, today we will be starting with a new chapter from your accountancy book, that is chapter 6, Accounting Equation. Now first of all we have to understand that what is accounting equation or what is the meaning of it. So let's get started with the meaning of accounting equation. Now accounting equation means that it is simply a balance sheet equation which states that at any point of time the assets of a business must be equal to its liabilities and plus its capital or equity. Equity means your equity share capital, that means the total capital or total assets and everything of a business is being divided into very small units which in the form of equity shares. So those who invest in your company or in your business to buy the equity shares are known as the equity shareholders of your company. So equity is also a form of capital. Okay, now we will be learning the balance sheet in details. Now students, this is a simple format of a balance sheet which has very limited items in it. In the left hand side we have the capital and the liabilities, and in the right hand side of the balance sheet we have all the assets of the business. Now you can see that your capital is consisting of 60,000 and your liabilities, which includes creditors and bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is a position where you can borrow an excess amount of money that you have in your account. Suppose you want to borrow rupees 20,000 but in your account you have only 10,000, so that 20,000 is your overdraft balance. Okay, and in the asset sides we have cash, debtors, stock, furniture, machinery, building, and you can see that your total of capital and liabilities is equal to your assets. So this is only basically the meaning of accounting equation. That means at any point of time you consider your balance sheet, that must be equal in both the sides. That means asset must be always equal to capital and liabilities. Now it is simply a mathematical equation, so you can also find out the liabilities at any point of time. That will be equal to liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. That means 40,000, how it came? 1 lakh minus 60,000. Okay, so basically the accounting equation is that assets should be equal to your capital plus liabilities. Tomorrow we will be starting off with the transactions. I hope I am clear. Till then, thank you all.